Hello, hello, everybody. Oh my gosh, it's been forever. I just wanted to take a little bit of a break from online and do gardening and writing, and I just kind of have not been on the internet really much at all. But I thought, oh, well, it's been forever. Let's get back at it. Let's do an envelope. So I have a green envelope here, right? And I'm just going to cut off this flap. I just cut off that little fold and I cut off the flap. And actually, I'm going to use my little scissors, my little Tim Holtz scissors, and I'm going to cut these little pieces. And we're going to make a coin, two coin envelopes with one envelope. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut these little side pieces off. Let's see. Yep, we're just going to cut these little side pieces off, and then I'm going to fold it in half. We're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to cut it. I'm going to barely cut that fold off. Just a sliver. There we go. So yes, I've been gardening. I've been tearing up my entire backyard and trying to turn it into a garden. My hands are just tore up. Oh, and then with all my other time, I've been just writing. I've been writing like a whole little fantasy world. So I'm going to use just my vintage photo, and I'm going to ink this up before I glue my sides, because I think it'll be easier to get this like middle inside flap, right? And then actually I'm going to cut these at a little bit of an angle. Just a little bit. Just by a smidgen. There we go. Like that. Ta-da! And then I'm just going to ink them. Easy peasy, look at that. It's already like a little, they're a little short. They're a little short and stubby, but that is okay by me. They're very cute. The other envelope that I used, which I can't find my sample of, was a little bit of a taller envelope, right? So it was a taller, it wasn't such a short, a little coin envelope. But this is great. I think these are super cute, the little tiny short ones. Put a little tiny bit of glue in there just to close up this line here. And then I'm going to ink the other one, right? And we'll do that. So these envelopes are easier to do because they have the flat all the way across. They don't tilt down. But I've done the ones that tilt down. I just put a piece of paper over, right, on the back. Oh, I'm going to ink it first. Ink it first. So I hope everyone's been doing good. I've been good, right? Everything has been great. Just been tearing up my backyard, fighting the weather. The weather has just been, like all the rain is great, but the hail and the wind I could do without. Is this folded kind of crooked? It might be, that's okay. Just gonna ink that up. And then we can decorate it or something, right? So there is our little coin envelopes, right? Ta-da, so cute. Cute little coin envelope to put coins or stamps or ephemera or anything in. Have to glue this one. Just a little tiny bit of glue. And I'm using art glitter glue. Art glitter glue. I recently just filled my bottle. I've had this project sitting on my desk for 2 weeks. Can you believe that? 2 weeks. I have not touched my craft room at all. I haven't really been on the internet at all either. Let's see, what do we have? Wow, let's see. I have this craft paper. Let's tear a page and put a little bit, oops, just a little bit of craft paper on there. I think that will be lovely. We're just going to make sure these are upright. Just going to decorate a little bit. Decorate these up. Do a little bit of layering. Put a little bit of craft paper. So I have a few things to do. Your creative studio sent me a box, so I have to do that. I'm all excited. I haven't even opened it. And I haven't looked at other people's videos yet to see like what comes in this particular box. It's a February box. And then I've got that challenge I need to do a couple videos on. I've just got a lot of stuff. Let's see, what else do we want to put on here? I have these papers that were given to me. They were sent to me in a Happy Mail. Aren't they lovely? I love this. This is a little bit more red. This one's a little bit more less sepia, right? A little bit more black. The music. The music. I'm going to tear this edge. I think I'll glue it down here like this. Just a little bit of collaging. We'll put something on there. We'll put I don't know, we'll put something on there. I like the idea of maybe numbers. Let's see. What do I have in numbers? Labels, tickets, doop, 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 doop. Oh, here we go. I haven't been down here in forever. So yeah, it's been the hail. Oh, it was like a tropical storm the other day. I was like, these are kind of pretty. The letters, the like rosy ones. Here's a 3. A big 3. Here's a 4. A 4 and an M and a Z. The Z has pretty flowers on it. I like the flowers. Do we have, oh, here's a 1. Well, that's kind of, here's a 2. Doesn't really match the, a 0. What is this one? A 13. This one's cool. With the moon, I think that's a Stamperia one. We could do that one. That one is cool. With the S. With the X, with a 3. A 3. I don't know. I don't think these match. We could do something else. I have these darker ones. This no. These I like though. We'll put these on there. My nails are green, so I asked my husband, I was like, what color should I paint my nails? And he was like, well, you've been planting a lot. Paint them green because you have a green thumb. I thought, okay. So I did, and now they're green. I was like, green? He was like, yeah. So here they are, green nails. They match my green envelope. I didn't even really plan for that. There needs to be something here, huh? This little bit that's exposed. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? I've got so much stuff everywhere. You know, it's just everywhere. These are cool and I think would match the like moon stuff. I think would definitely match the, she's cool. I like her. M for moo. Let's fussy cut her out a little bit. Then she'll fit on there, won't she? We'll fussy cut her out and the cow. And the cow. Around the horn. Don't want to cut his little ear off. Let's get this little bit. Okay. She'll go right there. She's great. Oh, she's great right there. Let me just get a little tiny bit. Little tiny. Gotta be careful. I don't really want to grunge it up or nothing. Just want to take that white. The white, you know, from the cutting of it. She's gonna sit like this. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Okay, so there's that one. Cute little envelope, little coin envelope. Okay. And this one. Let's see. What do we want to put with this? We have these stickers. They're kind of cool. This one has a moon on it. I kind of like that. Okay, well, let's stick this sticker on there for sure. This like washi sticker. I think I got this from Temu or Ali, one of the two. Okay. What do we think? I like it. Yeah, this is from like that Stamperia. Oh, I couldn't tell you which pad. It's like a scrap that I cut out and I put in with my numbers. So, okay, we have moons. These are all washi, so they'll be see-through. See? They'll be see-through, which I'm not really... There needs to be something on here, though. Let's see. What are these? We've got a lobster thing and seashells. These are kind of cool. These like moon tickets or something. Could just cut this and just put it on there and then be good. I might ink it a little bit. Right, and that'll be that. Right, nice little easy little project for coming back after being gone for a couple weeks. I am sorry, you guys. I just kind of needed a break from everything, you know? And then it turned into like 2 or 3 weeks. What can you do? But yay, I'm back. And we have cute little little coin envelopes. Yay, they're super cute. One could stamp on the back or put something on the back of them. I'm gonna leave mine. So yay, super cute. Anyway, I will see you very soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day and I hope you've all been well, and I will talk to you later.